chanell, owner of Egyptegyptianeollectionn, and today's video I'm gonna show y'all how to make a nice sleepwear shirt to go to bed with. And I'm also show y'all how to make a shirt for outside wear. So I have this for the outside wear, and I have this for the inside wear. So you can go like to Walmart and pick up any plain shirt or t-shirt, and you will also need a Cricut machine or your phone. You will need the heat press. I'm sorry. You need the heat press, and then for your weeding out, you need your scissors to cut the vinyl. You need a weeding tool, any weeding tool of your choice. Laptop, of course, or your phone, like I said. You will need the heat pad, Cricut mat, and partial paper or Teflon paper. Towel, whatever. Alright, so we're gonna get started. I already have the design on the laptop. I have to go back and minimize it. So there, y'all cannot see because it's too bright. It's too bright. Okay. Y'all won't be able to see it because it's too white and it's too bright. I just advise y'all that. Do y'all want to do this? It's hard doing it with nails. Still learning how to work with nails. Sometimes to move things off and keep it low like this. Okay, there we go. Now I have it. To be sexy, you need your beauty sleep. That's gonna be cute for a shirt. I'm trying to tell y'all, that's gonna be cute for a shirt. Okay, so we're gonna hit continue. Alright, I'm back, y'all. So I got y'all now to the point where I could show y'all everything. So we're gonna do it like that. I'm going to move the computer over. I'm going to get my mat, if y'all can see the mat. I'm going to get my mat. What vinyl I want to use, because this is gonna be cute. I think a purple vinyl, or white, or let's try purple. Let's see. Well, let's try a whole new one. I gotta put the gear back in here because I don't want to use a messed up one. So I'm gonna pick up these pieces too as well. We're gonna do pink. I think a pink would look good on there. I'm ripping up the damn thing. And it don't need to be ripped as it is. This off. I'm gonna remove that in case I need to do a little TikTok. I'm gonna brighten this for y'all again. We're gonna brighten it real nice and well now. Okay. Here like that. And boom. Okay. We're gonna move my laptop. I'm gonna move everything centered. We're gonna move this up. Let's see. Now that is okay. That was my heat press. It was telling me like we're gonna do fast pace. It was telling me to make sure that I'm still using the heat because it is a hot plate. So I say yes. I got the stuff already going, so yes, I am about to use you. So right now it is making the words in fast mode, so we could print them out on a shirt. We'll be back. Well, I'll let y'all see. It should go by fast. I'll let y'all see the whole process. Probably the next shirt I would not let y'all sit here long watching it because it's the same thing. So we'll do it for the first one. And we're done. That's letting me know that we're done with the cutout. So I don't know if y'all can see. And you want to peel your vinyl back like so. See how it's not wrinkling up? Like most people's vinyl wrinkle up. And you want to cover back up your mats. Please cover your mats. Please save your covers. It helps. Ooh, the scissors want to slide. I'm going to push her back. And I'm going to cut straight across. Save every vinyl scrap. It do help. Cricket tip. It do help. Put them right here on the floor. Pick my mat up because we're about to use my mat next. Cover my scissors. Now, we're about to weed. So, I'm trying to get to where I can show y'all how to weed. Okay. So, we're about to weed. I'm going to try with nails. Don't get on me. Don't get on me. I'm trying with nails. You want to be careful too of peeling this. You want to peel this A little slow, straight back. A little slow, straight back. Boom. And then you want to come in, and if you want to weed it, you can, weed out the titties part. For me, I was going to let this be, but let me weed it out like that. Should I do it be like that? I should have kept that piece in for the V, but it is what it is. We all make mistakes, cause sometimes it's hard. It's hard to find the thing to weed out. Nope, you stay. You stay. I'm taking the whole circle. I need my nails to really, and it took the O. It took it. Okay. We're gonna put that. Boom. Like so. Like so. It's gonna be real cute. That's how it should have been looking. But hey. Ooh. No, no, no. No him, no Sam. No him, no Sam. Now, when we get to the shirt part, it's all about placement. Sometimes I make the tedious mistake. Oh, no ma'am, no Sam. No ma'am, no Sam. Why is everything gonna come up? Get off my things I can see. What am I about to do? No ma'am, no Sam. No ma'am, no Sam. And it's gonna come up. It's gonna come up with it. It didn't. It didn't. But it half did. Look what little doctoring I'm doing. Alright, we're gonna leave it like that. It's all about placement, because when you are placing this to center it, you're gonna need some rulers. So I have some rulers that I'm going to use, because why I bought it and don't use it, you know how people buy stuff and then they don't use it. Can y'all see me weed? Y'all did not see me weeding nothing. Okay, I'm gonna try. Can y'all see me now? Okay, yeah, y'all can see me. Oh! What in the world? Why did you move? Okay, we're just gonna keep it right there. I'm going with the next one. But that was foul right there, L. That was so foul. How you just came up like that. Oh, no, 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 no. Not to you. Not to you. Give me this. No, you stay down. Give me this part. Yeah, you stay down. We all was done. Stay down. Let's get through the teeth. Oh, get off, get off, get off. Y'all, they are really trying me. Really trying me. Alright, once you done weeding out your part, I'll be right back to show y'all the rest. Okay, y'all. So the very important thing is when you are now about to put the wording on your shirt, you could start off by really matching the back, because I feel the back right here. So match the back, or I could go higher and put it right here. Or when that is heating up, my heat press, can't see. Okay, you can see. My heat press, don't mind the one nail off. It's alright. Got to fix it. Y'all could like fold it. Let's show y'all. Fold it like so. How you fold? Okay, y'all fold it the other way. Fold it like so and press. But we're gonna wait on the heat press to finish heating up. Okay, we're gonna fold. We're gonna press. And while we're pressing, we're really getting the heat out of the t-shirt. We're really getting all the heat out this shirt. So we're gonna press it again for 15 seconds. We're gonna press this again for like 15 seconds. That's a key tip. Get the heat and the moist out of the shirt. You're gonna do the back like that too. You're gonna do the back. You're gonna see a lot of tricks. Gonna see a lot. Okay. All right. Let's get our piece. Let's get our piece. I'm gonna go up a little more. Get our piece. Let's get our Teflon paper. And let's add pressure to it. I'm going to add pressure going around. And we're going to do this for 15 seconds. Alright. It's so hot. It's hot. We're going to let it cool off. We're going to let this cool off. we're gonna press. And the only reason why I'm pressing like this is because I'm really not trying to put pressure on it, because we're just gonna make sure everything sticks down to it. And then we're gonna turn over to the back. Yes, y'all, doing this with one hand is really the struggles. We're gonna press. No more than seconds. We're just gonna press it. That should do it up. Alright, y'all. And there you go. There you have your nice night outfit. And I will definitely show you how it looks on. How it looks on. It looks where the placement is at. Definitely can show y'all that. See if we placed it right to your liking. And if you place this right to your liking, then that's your shirt. So this is how it looks. And I really do like it because it's placed right. It's placed on top of here instead of on the bottom and all that stuff. So I did place it right, and I love it. If you want more videos on how to make shirts or how to do, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And happy Blogmas! Bye!